Have you ever wondered if the right haircut could actually take years off your look after 50? The truth is, the wrong cut can drag your face down, but the right one is like an instant facelift. It lifts, slims, and refreshes your entire appearance. No needles, no effort, just confidence. And in this video, I'm sharing 6 brilliant haircuts and hairstyles for women over 50 that will make you look 10 years younger instantly. And cut number 3? It's the bold, celebrity-approved choice that women everywhere are loving for its modern edge. Let's dive in. Cut struck 1. The modern layered bob. This is one of the most versatile and flattering cuts for women over 50. But let me be clear, this isn't your mum's stiff bob from the 90s. Think of it as the little black dress of haircuts, timeless, elegant, and always flattering. Why it works. One-length styles can create harsh, dragging lines as we age, but soft, graduated layers literally lift your face. They add movement, fullness, and the illusion of thicker hair. Perfect if you're dealing with thinning strands. The youth-boosting trick. Keep the length between chin and shoulder. Add soft, side-swept bangs to disguise forehead lines and instantly brighten your look. Styling made simple. Wash. Add a touch of texturizing cream, scrunch lightly, and you're done. No endless blow-drying, no fuss. Just a polished, intentional cut that always looks modern. The modern layered bob is effortless sophistication, and it's one of the best anti-aging cuts after 50. Cut control 2, the asymmetrical bob. Now, for my bold ladies who aren't afraid to make a statement, let's talk about the asymmetrical bob. This cut is for women who want to shake things up and show the world they've still got serious style confidence. Why it works. As we age, many women feel pressured to play it safe with their hair. But here's the truth. Playing it too safe can actually age you faster. The asymmetrical bob is the opposite of safe. One side falls around chin length, while the other grazes the collarbone, creating a striking diagonal line that's instantly youthful and eye-catching. The benefits. This cut frames the face, slims the jawline, and draws attention upward. It says you're stylish, modern, and not afraid to embrace change. Want extra edge? Add side-swept or blunt bangs. They highlight your eyes and double down on that chic, modern vibe. Styling and upkeep. Yes, it does require trims every 6 to 7 weeks to keep the line sharp. But for everyday styling, it's surprisingly forgiving. Straighten it, curl the longer side, or tuck it behind your ear. You get multiple looks from one cut. The asymmetrical bob is edgy, chic, and the ultimate style power move for women over 50. Cut. 3. The textured pixie. If you're ready to make a bold statement, this is the haircut that says confidence. The textured pixie isn't harsh or severe like the old-school versions. It's light, playful, and endlessly flattering. Why it works. Long, heavy hair can sometimes drag your features down, highlighting sagging around the jawline. Cutting off that weight has the opposite effect. It lifts everything up, like a natural facelift. The layers are feathered and airy, creating movement and volume where you need it most. The benefits. This cut draws attention to your best features, your eyes, cheekbones, and smile. And here's the bonus. Shorter hair often looks thicker and healthier, making it perfect if you've been dealing with fine or thinning strands. Styling and upkeep. It's almost effortless. A dab of paste or cream, run your fingers through, and you're done. No blow-drying marathons, no fuss. Just chic, modern ease. To keep it sharp, Trims every 5 to 6 weeks are key. No wonder celebrities like Halle Berry, Sharon Stone, and Jamie Lee Curtis have rocked this look. The textured pixie isn't just a haircut, it's a power move. Cut number 4. The long bob with subtle waves, the lob. If you want a style that feels feminine, fresh, and modern without going too short, the lob is your answer. Hitting just below the collarbone, it strikes the perfect balance between elegance and youthfulness. Why it works. Perfectly straight hair can sometimes look flat or severe as we age, but adding soft waves changes everything. Gentle texture adds body, movement, and that effortless, modern chic vibe. Plus, the length still frames your face beautifully without dragging it down. The benefits. Waves slim the face, disguise forehead lines, and bring softness to your features. And if you have natural curls, even better. The lob gives structure while keeping them bouncy, avoiding that dreaded triangle shape. Styling and versatility. This cut works in so many ways. Wear it sleek for polish, wavy for a youthful vibe, or tuck it behind your ears for a chic, face-framing effect. And on busy days, it pulls easily into a low bun. The lob is timeless, flattering, and guaranteed to take years off your look, without ever feeling like you're trying too hard. Cut number 5. The long layered shag. For my long-haired ladies who don't want to go short, this is the perfect way to keep length while still looking youthful and modern. The long layered shag is playful, textured, and full of life. Why it works. One-length long hair can sometimes look heavy or flat after 50, but adding strategic, choppy layers breaks up that weight, bringing movement and bounce back into your style. The result? Hair that looks fuller, lighter, and effortlessly chic. The benefits. This cut works with your natural texture instead of fighting it. Got waves? They'll look enhanced. Thinning hair? Layers create the illusion of more volume. And here's the best part. This style actually gets better the less you fuss with it. Styling and ease. Scrunch with sea salt spray for beachy waves. Let it air dry for that lived-in texture. Or add a bit of cream for definition. The shag thrives on a little imperfection. It's supposed to look relaxed, not overstyled. The long layered shag is fun, flattering, and gives you that youthful, carefree edge while still looking elegant. Cut number 6. Transform any style with a fringe. Here's the truth. You don't always need a brand new haircut to look younger. Sometimes the magic is in one simple detail. A fringe. The right bangs can instantly soften your look, slim your features, and take years off your face. Why it works. Bangs draw the eye upward, creating lift and framing your features in the most flattering way. They also disguise forehead lines and bring balance to your overall style. The benefits. The beauty of a fringe is that it works with almost any cut, whether it's a bob, lob, shag, or pixie. And it's completely customizable. Side-swept bangs for softness and easy blending. Curtain bangs for that chic, French-inspired framing of the eyes and cheekbones. Wispy, feathered bangs for a light, low-commitment refresh. Styling made easy. They don't need to be heavy or high maintenance. A quick brush, a touch of product, and you're ready to go. The right fringe transforms not just your haircut, but your whole look, making it modern, fresh, and unmistakably youthful. Closing. Youthful hair at any age. And there you have it. 6 brilliant haircuts and youthful hairstyles that prove looking younger after 50 is absolutely possible. From the chic layered bob to the bold pixie, the effortless lob to the playful shag. And of course, the magic of a well-chosen fringe. Each of these styles lifts, slims, and refreshes your look without ever feeling like you're trying too hard. Because here's the truth. Beauty after 50 isn't about chasing trends. It's about finding styles that work with your features, highlight your confidence, and make you feel incredible every single day.